Hello traders, should we be trading this pattern setup at all, or if we are going to be trading it, how should we trade it and trade manage it? This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Napan here, founder of Master the Markets Illustrates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders on GBP/USD on the 1 hour time frame. Just to give you an example on how you can actually formulate this into your intraday trading strategies as well. It's all based on the stretch principle introduced by Toby Crable, big billionaire hedge fund manager back in the 1950s, 70s. It was known as the ORB, opening range breakup. So based on that principle, you can also see it all on our intraday live trading videos on our YouTube channel as well. Right, so let's take a look. I mean, should we actually even be taking this pattern setup? What's actually going on here? Let's take a look. So it's taken up the upper stretch line, as we can see over here. It took out the first upper stretch line, came back down, and then went back up further. Okay, that was your first attempt to go further to make the BRO towards the upside. Then after that it came back down again, failed, and then did another attempt, didn't take out the last high. Now it's coming back all the way further down. So with this pattern setup, how should we be trading it? The first thing you should be looking at on the daily time frame is,
if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
as of now, where has the low, which low, as the previous day's low or high been taken out? That's the first point. Okay, previous day's high or low, has it been taken out? So you can see that from this on the daily time frame, yesterday's bar was this red bar here, and today's bar is forming here. So you can see that today's bar has taken out the low, and it took out the low quite straight off the opening, as you can see over here. Okay, from this point onwards, if you know the 4-bar formations, you can probability of an outsider bar happening is very low. Insider bar is negated altogether. So the only chance we have is for this to make up a lower low. Now the second question is, so it's already forming a lower low bar. So you can see that. What do I mean by this? So if you take out the opens and closes, if you remove that, then the next bar that you are actually looking at is this one here, which is happening today, and that has made a lower low in relation to this bar. Okay, the second question you should be asking yourself is, so this is the only bar that can happen, or an outsider bar, which is very unlikely for that to happen given the time that is available for today. The second thing you're going to be asking yourself is, how much range is there to be formed? Okay, now if you take a look, yesterday's bar was 115. You can see, right, the ATR was 115. 80% of 115 is about 88 90 pips. Let's take a look at today's bar range. All this indicator you're seeing over here was designed by our clients at Master the Markets, so you can see how passionate they are here as they join us and they learn us and they grow together with their trading knowledge and confidence.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
You can see that the bar range over here is 73 pips. So in terms of, let me just take a look here, 73 pips over here, 88 is what we are looking at. So there is room still to make its range, okay, 15 pips more, and based on the pattern formation. So the point is there is a range to be formed. We know the direction, probably, highly probably looking at taking the downside, even though the upper stretch has been taken out. Now, if that is the case, what is the pattern that I'll be looking forward to in the 1 hour time frame? Which is, if this top gets confirmed at this hour, I will take probably an entry for the low of that bar. Okay, that's point number one. But point number two, I also need to be aware of the time that I'm taking it. So it's coming close to 3 p.m. today. Usually the ranges form, 80% of them form by 3 p.m. 20% of them form after 3 p.m. So if you really do want to take this trade, you're playing with a lower probability of it forming its range after 3 p.m. Take note of that. But if you still do want to take it, you can either take it at a lower percentage of risk at 0.5 or even 0.25%, or if you're doing at $10 a pip, you can reduce that by half to $5 a pip or even $2.50 a pip. Okay, that's the things over there. And the last thing that you can also do is maybe you might just sit back, do not trade this. Okay, for us this is not our typical pattern setup, so we're not going to trade it. We're going to sit back, because remember that no trading is also known as good trading as well, because you're preserving your profits and waiting for the good opportunities to come in before you take part in them. All right, okay, I guess that's pretty much that on this live trading session video over here. Do incorporate any of these ideologies and principles into your own trading and use that to trade with confidence and conviction to achieve consistent performance. Alright traders, that's all from me on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.